Hi everybody, my name's Kane and I'm going to share with you how to make the perfect lava flow. And basically what a lava flow is, it's a pina colada drink mixed with blended strawberries. But in order to make the perfect lava flow, you need the perfect ingredients. And here they are. We have the strawberry mixer and the pina colada mixer, and I've done a lot of research with this. This is the type of mixers that you get on a cruise ship or at a really cool resort, okay? Also, we have the rums, and these are the Koloa rums. I've done a lot of rum tasting, and these rums are blended and distilled on the island of Kauai in Hawaii. And here's the coconut rum. This isn't your Bush League, Copacabana type Malibu rum. This rum is 40%, not 20% alcohol by volume. Here's the gold rum, and this is more of that caramel vanilla type flavor, also 40% alcohol by volume. And then you have the dark rum, also at 40%. And this is the type of dark rum that you basically pour over clear ice and sip it all day long by the pool. And I'm going to show you how we're going to take our grade of the perfect lava flow from an A to an A+. All right, let's get started. So, the pineapple wedge. Boom, into the cup. Now other people would say, well, why don't you use this as a garnish? There's not a lot of upside there. You want to put it in here first because it's like your party favor bag. And what I mean by that is that if you've ever been to a birthday party when you're in grade school and you have a great time at the party but it's time to go, right? And then the birthday kid's mom runs up to you and says, wait a second, don't forget your party favor bag. And you're like, huh? And then you open up that party favor bag and there's candies in there and toys and you're like, yeah, this is awesome. Well, that's your pineapple wedge here because this is going to be marinating in your lava flow while you drink your drink, and then when you're done, then you get to have the pineapple wedge. It's the perfect solution. All right, moving on. Let's go ahead and start to make this baby. We have the strawberry mixer. We're going to go 2 ounces of the strawberry mixer here. Pop that in there. Then we're going to set this aside for a bit. Okay? Now let's go ahead and move to the pina colada mixer. And we're going to go 4 ounces here. All right. We're going to pop it over our blender here. All right. Now let's add ice. Now how much ice do we need? Well, you want it the equivalent to whatever you're going to make your lava flow. That should be the amount of ice that you use. You can probably put a little bit more, but it's about the same amount, okay? So let's go ahead and pop it in here. All right. Also, the banana. You want to put a banana in here too for 2 reasons. One, because it's going to give a nice consistency and thickness to your frozen drink. But the other reason is that it's healthy. So if someone comes to you and says, well, geez, I don't want my lava flow because it's not healthy enough, you can say, but it is. It has a banana in it. All right, let's pop that in here. Then we're going to move to put the rums in. So how much? We're going to go 1 ounce of the coconut rum. And then we're going to go 1 ounce of the gold rum. All right, pop that in here. Let's mix it up. Now the thing is about mixing it up, you want to make sure that you have the right consistency. You don't want it to be liquefied and too runny, but also you don't want to make it too light. Because if you have these pebbles in there or rocks, it's just going to make it a Bush League drink. You can't have that. It's got to be the perfect thickness. Excellent. That about does it. All right. Now watch how this magic happens right over here. Oh yeah. Now, we're at a great level of A. We could bring this to an A+ by giving just about a 1/2 ounce of the dark rum runner or floater. Oh, look at that. Pure nectar. You could also add a little whipped cream and a cherry on it, but here it is, everybody. I give you the perfect lava flow. Cheers.